To replace the transfer belt, begin by powering the printer off. Open the front cover of the printer, then push up on the lever on the right side to open the printer's right cover. Next, turn the two green levers counterclockwise and open the printer's inner cover. Turn the green lever located on the left side of the transfer belt counterclockwise. Holding the green grip in the center of the transfer belt, pull the belt out until the handles on the top surface become visible. Lift the handles on top of the unit, then slowly pull out the transfer belt. Unbox the replacement transfer unit and remove all protective covering. Lift the top handles on the replacement unit, then slide the transfer unit along the guide rails into the printer until the upper handles almost touch the printer body. Lower the top handles and push the front of the transfer unit to fully insert into the printer. Turn the green lever on the left side of the transfer unit clockwise to lock into place. Close the inner cover and turn the two green levers clockwise. Carefully close the front cover of the printer, close the right side cover, then turn the printer on.